Some people, able boss must go mention cause baby mother name and she come back for him, and why people, the woman deal with able boss a way. She dis him up wicked scene. So cause baby mother, she did upon Miss Bling alive and I talk about she and cause situation. You know what I mean? Cause now I mind him youth, and you know what I mean, she has a cause mother have to pass all of him youth them before him start, you know what I mean, take care of him youth or see a fame youth. You see, cause of about 3 baby mother. 2 to America and 1 at Jamaica. You see me? And the last one, she named Come and she up on the screen. Right? I think she said when she and cuz get in and she get pregnant or something, she call Able Boss and she call Lando, and I think she call Jim Body also. You know what I mean? So Able Boss must go say upon him live, say she not stop calling him phone or something like that. You know what I mean? And people, she reveal some things. And that's why me I tell the man them say, yo, don't pillar talk with your woman, because some woman as separate or left, them bust out your secret. You know what I mean? And it look like say cause pillow talk with her and chat able boss them with her. You see it? And she has spill everything, my people. So I can watch and hear what she has say. Cause me not like people, she deal with able boss a way.
Do the right. Do the blood clot right. But you know mean him go from day one and the get go, you never mean him no good. Thinking boy. You mean him no good? Go take your beam out of your eye before you take your beam out of somebody else blood clot, yeah. Cause just the other day, I see your baby mother make a mistake and your company media and the way you behave and go on. The way you behave and blood clot go on.
I think she talk about in a Xmas when Able Boss did want get take some picture with him youth and them something there. And it caused a contention between him and him baby mother, because I think him baby mother never make him get the youth in time. But at the end of the day, I think Able Boss did get the youth and him spend couple days with the youth. You see me?
Hey, don't make me have a blood clot. Don't flip me script, because I will tell you come in and want to talk, you know. Hey, yeah. Me talk come in and want to talk, because I know your baby no favor blood clot, you.
Yo.
Bumbo work, because you're pretty head long and you're a blood clot head big and round. Hey, boy, don't try me.
Yo, people, that woman here, she talk some things, yo. You have to watch the entire video. She talk some things. She deal with ill was a way. Me not lie still. Able was son, him favor him mother. Yes, he come like him take every single thing for him mother. Him not get nothing for Able Boss. Everything him get for him mother. Me not lie.
Don't blood clot try coming. Because you're not no secret for blood clot me. Because me not cause back wall. You're not no secret for me. Dirty boy. Let's see carry nice pretty come. You know blood clot start with me and tell no lie for me thinking boy. Because you have a big blood clot head and your pitney face long. Don't start with me. Because I will draw down my dress on this and tear my body you no blood clot.
Chat some things.
Me like people tell lie for me. Don't come in on my saga.
Yeah.
Me never send call you. Me never send call blood clot you. And if Lando wish for talk you bumbo clot truth, Lando talk the truth. Ask Lando if me ever call him and complain to cause. Ask him. But me ever call you and Lando complain. Bumbo will lucky liar boy. Go lego cause. Go lego blood clot cause. Cause you one of them who hold him down. And I take him career. You dirty earbur. A friend here look for him cause. Are you are one of them who got the biggest Obeah man and Obeah man for take what crown one? Be like blood clot him. Batty boy. Don't call me name. Fucking out hard and bright. Oh, me a call. Me a call you. A complain. Me a call you a complain. Me a call you a complain.
She did mention
me.
She call cause and she call I think Jim Body and Lando when she pregnant. And I think she also said she called them when cause I act up and tell them say yo them fi talk to him. So you can say she call them, but how often she call them, me no know.
Make a phone would even turn on. For me prove it to the people them. And me rub you. Me say phone would have never turn on. Where my bad for me tell if you can't come. Fix him pants. Come. Well, tell her to do one damn shit. Come. My body and baby. Pretty girl. Boy, me. Let's come pass some blouse. Give me put over my titty as so. Let's come pass some blouse, see me. Take one out of my drawer. Pass something now. Come here. Take back your blouse. Do what you do and pass back your blouse. Give me a conk in your forehead. Blood clot, yeah, come over here, come on. I pick up people business pan your rascal big head. Don't pick up my business pan your head. Because you don't look green cat from your bumbo clot baby mother, you don't get no car out of airport, you go down pan blood clot me, but marry me. Pussy old dirty man.
Yo,
eh?
Money,
you reach a foreign. Yeah, and nobody know how make your blood clot reach. I mean, I know they marry me, make you work. Cause I see you on big internet about in 2021 pan blood clot sitting where you create excitement out of Manly Airport. I talk about blood clot. I want to ring weather bell. Big suck cocky boy. Dirty able. I me keep on call you blood clot name. I wonder where piece of popcorn ring there. Cause you must think your baby mother if blood clot frightened. You big sucker dirty germs. Don't call me blood clot name. Don't call me name, man. You pussy clot lie. Don't call me name. Me coming. I complain to you. When me couldn't complain to you for? But breadfruit head. eh? Your mouth water, your handicap looking at you have a breadfruit blood clot. You feel a frog back.
Yo, that woman is easy, you know, virgin.
Don't call me name, man. Junk rock.
Yeah, deal with the man,
so. Well, I wanna run, come. But never promise you no able. I never promise your front. And I never draw down my good draws and show me classy. For you can't tell lie pa me dirty man. Eh? Me never promise you no fuck. I never promise no blood clot. I never mean him no good. Cause when you see blood clot foreigner come down, I want to say I have clean girl. I want to say I have a clean big woman. And me really like him. You start intrude him. I said be careful. Remember I be the post him one time for me TikTok. And he go viral. And me lie down side of him and hear you tell him to be careful. And when he said to me, say, baby, me not too like him either. If I want to take it down, if I don't want to take it down, I kiss it. Then the time they not him and Shana just a get in. But guess what make you do it able? Because you don't want him reach a blood clot foreign. You never want him reach ya. So you give him the baddest influence them about me. Come a look good girl and come a big old man. And then girl there a bad man then love Ray. You never inveigle him. Cause you know me don't take him here.
She say a bad man
never mean him
she
no
still,
good.
You know.
And me know so you hold him down. Remember me spiritual. And me spiritual so me know say you able to hold down blood clot cause you mix up in your holy power do him things. You don't think able. I mean I talk to me Bex.
People no tell me out of cause Able Boss and Lando, which one of them people love the most? Who more famous? Me not talk about who richer, cause Able Boss are the richest out of them. But who people love the most? Who are the funnier one? And come that I she was up on the screen right now. She come talk say a bad man and thief she loves still.
My name and tell no blood clot like for me Able. Don't do it. Me and you never ever hold a conversation about him and me never one time tell you say he do something or in this or in that. Me come here. He rest a friend them. Can't say me call and say he not go on good enough to talk to him, you know. Even when me I go clinic when me pregnant and me and him not talk.
Cause she said she call him friend them still.
Me come here. Blood clot call me liar. And blood clot I put in papers the boy I get fiance. Blood clot visa to come here so when me pregnant. Me have papers can blood clot show. When me don't help him blood clot to come here so. So you never want that theme. See all. You never want that. So you inveigle him for blood clot no pay me and my baby no mind. You never know. But you can't tell sick lie for me about me complain to you. Dirty boy. Me complain to you about cause. Me complain to you about cause you able stop tell lie for me man and move your look good self. You walk and good like dog.
Yeah, no.
Fucking out hard and bright.
Able Boss so.
Me can call all who me ever call and talk to about that little boy. Me call Jimbo, me complain about him, me say no talk to him. One time me call Swissley and Swissley to me say come me out talk to him. Just go and use the olive oil and thing and rebellion and so me go talk to him. And the Swissley, Jimbo, CJ, Shuffle, Neil, that one that was the producer. Me ever call you Orlando? When me call you Orlando for want to go tiki fish. Me call Orlando for a move no dirty blood clot, you know. Because me don't want class, you know. Me don't want class, you know. Because I don't use him enough. You don't talk so you don't use him. And he know. Because him tell me say you don't use him.
So here comes the pillar talk, you know, people. And that's why it's not good for pillar talk with woman or man, you know. You see me? Because at the end of the day, when you left, the thing them are going to come out.
A blood clot hotel, and you and Lando take the two best room and left me in one room and for use the blood clot living room for fit in bathroom. And that's why I enjoy from blood clot, you know. And me I said to him, say, don't worry yourself, man, you go bust. Just fast and pray. Because your career I go down. Pray. I be a prayer, me tell him to pray. And me make it talk to my pastor, them and them people there.
Because the top star is still,
enough time I see you in my blood clot dream. And me call him and tell him to be careful of blood clot, you know. Bumbo hole. But you want piece of saga again, give you. You want piece of the saga, you will again give you. I don't want your dirty friend call me name, man.
Yeah.
You don't call me name. Fucking bright. Come. Out order. Came in the pan talk you nobody on my live right now. You're too blood clot bright. If you the mean him good. What you say me a complain to you. If you the mean him good when me pregnant and you say me call you, I complain to you. And him tell you say stay out of it and black her, yeah, man. If you was a good friend, why didn't you say, look here now, she da America, you know, dog. You're not frightened for them thing they still, you know. But watch, you know, and your baby mother and them thing they already. So watch, you know, just go and settle down. We make it never inveigle him. If do good. You follow him and Sky, he said jump, you jump. You should have tell if you jump in that one batty wall, Kyle, you jump in that blood clot too. But
So when she did up on Miss Bling Alive, people, she did say she call Able Boss, she call Lando, and I think she call Jim Body them and tell them when she pregnant. You see it. And then look after when she check his, you know what I mean, Able Boss black her. You see it, Lando black her. So I talk about why them black her. I could tell them for black her. You see me I say. So it look like say she never really did complain to them still. But maybe she and them talk on the phone and she even mentioned certain things because she said she can respond with them. She talk to them more while. So maybe them a talk on the phone and she even bring up some topic about cousin how he might behave on them, something there. So maybe that's why Able Boss say she, you know what I mean, call on them phone or whatever.
you don't want good fame. You never want good fame. Say, well, I want to run and jump. Yeah. But I can never inveigle him. I have papers. I go look back on my blood clots. I descend go give him friend. When I go in an immigration office and cancel. When I go in an immigration office and I cancel in blood clot paperwork. I cancel that. When I'm pregnant and then all the doctor them ask me, at that time I reach out to CJ them. And I said to CJ them, so what do you think me fi do? You get me? Me make appointment with liar everything. Even when me and him talk when I'm pregnant, it's just for him. If you don't say, alright then me I do. And me cancel out back every moment blood clot. You no compare we no do you no queen. You no black them dirty people they want talk.
Do you queen blood? Yeah, no.
Cause you no screen record on anything you no want record. I told them me say me nah answer you. Me just do me. You see me? And me look me see Able upon my name. Don't call me name and tell no lie upon me Able. Cause me never one time try to go in your relationship. I never one time try to go in your argument. Me see you on TikTok I cuss a baby mother. And I tell your baby mother this and that because of that foreign no cause you're frightened. And me not try to rate, me not try to go in your thing. Me not do it. Yeah? But baby mother and baby father and me a girl will always a complain to you. Me complain to you, look wicked boy. If you want big old thriller or want blood clot fix. Me ever complain to you?
Yeah, I know.
Me ever complain to you? Eh? But leg of the people then career here because I pure them man you go to stay up on TikTok and go to people pocket. Me vision enough things. And me call him and tell him. Me vision enough, not to me bore up and me have me tattoo and whatever. That's why God make me stay so because God make me disguise no for you. The last time me dream in our house, me dream to me in our house lock up. Hey, I only thing me never go say it. And I uno come out of blood clot house with the boy name in no bumbo clot shoes. So could able. When you not go talk and talk, and when you not go tell people say your blood clot talk say cause not reach no way. Cause I gun be a Mali. And they sitting there for talk so how you bring him down. And that's if you talk. Eh? When you talk so you no get visa link, and you talk so you not give him. Eh? Cause you know say you reach far and uno. And that's if you talk. And that's if you talk.
So I link Boss and Lando get. I don't feel like say them would have get no link like that and no get cuz because of the whole of them part. You know what I mean? Maybe cuz never get through with fee. Maybe him go, but him never get through. You see it? Big woman thing. I don't feel like say. You know what I mean? Yeah, friend a bad mind friend still, you know. But me not really think say, you know what I mean? Boss them really bad mind cause them a try hold him down. You see it?
Stinking boy. You all are uno. But you not get no visa link, you no dry man panic. No. Cause you know so you not hold him down. Move your dirty ugly blood clot ear. And don't call me name and tell no lie and blood clot me. And go fix your blood clot teeth in your head. Cause then check on a blood clot. Cause you fall mad man. And can't talk say you fuck a mad girl. Batty boy. But me ever complain. Me ever complain. Complain to who? Complain to who? What me a complain to your fa?
Which mad girl that now?
What me a complain to your fa, Eber? To pussy clot lie. You want a piece of the fame? Take it now. Take it cause your dress big and tight and mine. You want a piece of the fame?
Yo.
Take it. Cause you have a big blood clot drawers. Can hold you and all your friends them. Pussy hole. But let go the blood clot boy. And that you fi do. You never go blood clot rent apartment until you see cause come out of your mama house and go rent place. And you sit down and talk and say you not rent nowhere. But yet you come out and go rent place. Eh? Bad mind a kill you. Bad mind a kill you. But Lando and you, I may a complain to you Lando. You want your Lando go fuck no one another and don't call me name dirty boy. Lando if you want to peas. Pussy hole.
Yo, that
you rub
woman,
all a blood clot a uno.
Oh,
Cause you no
dirty.
secret for blood clot me. Uno handicap tiki blood clot self. Uno no have no career. Uno no have no fame. I want to hold down people. Talk no. Talk say that you know what do. You know got up your blood clot man and read a woman. I want to get the big gift of them on the blood clot. Make sure they get the people them name and go walk with them in on a boat. So the people them can always a gift you know. Lando him work trick pan people boy and people were sick. And buy 2 blood clot car.
Yo, people, you see that part there? You have to know what you do still, you know. Because a whole heap of people me hear attack say a trick Lando trick the people them, you know. You know what I mean? You have to know how you come out come big money. I same thing Kizzy did do. Kizzy, you know what I mean? Miss Blinger Kizzy never really come out still. Miss Blinger them chew a little thing for her and make she make some money. And then about a month after Kizzy go do her body and everybody say boy the money where them give her she use and do her body she pretend like say she sick and take the money go do her body. You see it. A 2 car Lando buy for you know, Lando buy a Benz give mother and buy a Beamer for himself. You see it. And after him say him look brother did sick and ray and them chew up money for him and them something there. You see me? So it look like say some of the money there go into buying the cars. You see it, because maybe the people them chew more than him need and him cover the hospital bill with that and it look like him just go buy 2 car. You see it. But that would look away still, you know what I mean? You look away saying buy 2 car just right after then give him the money. Although him can't have him money put on. But people now go say fee money him use. Them are go say the money where people them show for help him brother him use. You know what I mean?
Hey, uno go you know. Uno report me live, make a any and come back. Hey, I wanna know which part. If I go try, where is it in the name? Tap up me other phone. I did me there today, you know. And my friend send it to me. Ask to me, say, come, how you do Abel? I say, me not talk to Abel. Because me, from me that breed, me text Abel. Abel the first somebody. Abel the first person. Me text. And me send it to him and say, Radam. He said, what sweet you going sour, you Radam. Abel the first person. Him are the first person me say, me send it to. And for show you the boy bad mind and stay. For show you how him bad mind and stay. He say, me think he know a long time. And me say, no, he just assume. Me swear say, boy, than glad for boy. He no glad for boy. You know, glad for him, and you come on platform now. I know what talk, but people tell me if me did something wrong. Your mouth big and water and fever when time dog or pitney.
Shit.
Fucking look at Jankro. Don't call me name, man. Don't call me name. I'm going to try go up on Instagram. Because I can't take TikTok or the blocking business, you know. Damn, look at it and lie. You well one piece I fear me? You come like you look a new man. You look a new man. Eh? You come like you look a new man. You see me come and me attack. Me never come for me now. Me attack me own a business Saturday. I was talking my own business. And it had a baby trade blood clot idiot girl in get then. I don't put it so. Because nobody never that plan to bring him down and nobody never that plan to take him out and nobody that plan to carry him down. Nobody. Because every time we say we are going to do it, he come right round and we calm down. I tell you the next baby mother remember me and I said, sure. Me and my own a business. And the girl with her enough self come on my page. And as some me just start cuss. You want to see me pitney for Rika? You know go search my page if I want to see her. You no interrupt my spirit more when they are big up in them. Blood clot, you go ham one. A combo me with your hand in a pocket. Don't combo me, sir. Don't combo me, man. Cause you come like say you with your bad mind that you have to come out for your blood clot fall combo you in a dirty boy. Cause you no sing come out of him one. You run go come out of your one. Cause your wall and pan your house you come out and the wall ever dirty. Yeah, a kind of your house ever dirty. The room where the in with the blood clot bed come like I can't even move round. You can't move, you couldn't even move round.
Yeah.
How about your business, man? No combo me. Cause me no combo uno. Me no member uno, you know. And me no see uno. But uno ever want to see me. You no want to see me for yes, me know say me blood clot bigger. Me no hollow, man. But yes, me grown. Yes. And yes, me like young people. Me don't want old people. Cause nobody not supposed to hold me and across no blood clot road. When time me hold it to, I wouldn't know which part I go. If you go look up so down so side so.
What a young boy.
You fucking bright and out order. Come and tell lie about me ever call him a lie. Hey, you wicked in a boy. Yes, very wicked. I let him know if you go let him go, cause every day I feel over your yard, I run up and down and I know start yard time down and take away career. You make a tell you the same thing there. Every day you take him away from your little friend them. You take him away, you have him whole life friend them a blood clot milk lane. And you say ma go and good and you want you tie up yourself in him, you tie yourself on blood clot cause you're a batty man. You tie yourself on him and take away him fame. Cause you not no fame. Cause when I see you come on TikTok shake up your belly and I go on about it. Look. It wasn't funny, never funny, and still not funny.
Yeah, I know.
And TikTok come on and you say, oh, you can't make money, you tag people them name and go blood
clot.
Tie them people. Up. And when you come on TikTok complain game, you don't have them down in no shoes or you don't have green lime or quiz. Pan people blood clot name.
That a go on.
Franny look like a dog. With the water, dirty mouth. Why you not call your wedding bell? Dirty ear. Why you not call your wedding bell? Cause you're the hungry people. Man, me see propose out a blood clot airport and still not married.
Yeah,
you're the hungry one, me see propose out a big blood clot airport. You're the hungry man, me see propose out a blood clot. Nah, man, the airport big sitting about. As you come, I go pan knee. Like you're Gladys Knight and the blood clot pips. And still can't go in a church and say, I do. You think no blood clot. Eh? And you look at blood clot, Burlington close them where your baby mother used to carry down Congi. Your feet so them buying a blood clot Gucci and bumbo clot.
Yo, that woman you come for you was still, you know. I don't know why you was gonna mention about she still, you know, big woman thing, you know. She come for you was wicked star.
Louis Vuitton. You still don't know a brand. You fucking out hard and blood clot bread. Don't come for me. Cock up ass boy. Don't come for me.
Yo, she come for you was still, you know.
Cock up like when you cock up like you sitting with a blood clot. What that place the name? What you bumping at them back?
Yeah.
Boy, you come for coming. Baby mother, and people tell me if I'm wrong because she's the type of girl who always complain to me, Orlando. Me a complain to you, Orlando? I mama, I daddy. For me complain to you. Eh? Are you reading text them? So but see that's why you get it twisted. So good. Are you reading text them? Because every time you get a text, you read it. Your blood clot secretary, are you secretary or your accountant? Are you? Are you? You come like you are in blood clot accountant or in secretary. So when he say close the door, you close it. Eh? So when he say close the door and block her, you have to do it. And silently you take away and look for him. Silently. Because he was with his best friends on Milk Lane in Denham Town. Oh my God, here comes Able Boss with his fast car. Take away cuz. And then he slightly have cuz down into this little box. Tie him down. You piece of shit. And I can't tell life. I mean, not come for me, man. Not come for me. Because I never complain to you one time yet table. And I told me a cuss and I thought, no. You hold him down, you tie him down. You will you do him. You will you do him, Abel. You will you do him. God be the glory, man. God be the glory.
Yeah.
You will you do him.
People don't feel like that you was a whole long cause with you. Because I don't really think so still, you know. I think them Obiaman allegation and them thing there are real thing. You see, maybe she feel hurt because your boss go mention her name and she just come and say some things. You know what I mean? You know how woman stay already. You see?
Go visa link and you know bust him pan it. Eh? You go to Bahamas. And you don't even say me I go Bahamas. Can you say you go there to girl? And you will complain to me about all that. Eh? Me I go on my small island and me have 2 friends. Me I tell them so look you know, my man I send for me you know so here what you go do. See up you have some money because you know they have money at the time there. So here what we are going to stay at the same hotel. Because you just stay one hotel and make you all we go blood clot field or plain field one time. You never do that. You never do that.
On your privacy. I can't no bag a man go link no girl.
You understand? You never do that. You go and you come back and you get a visa link and who you give? Your friend. Your friend.
If them get
if you don't do him, you make him can't go on TikTok. He want to come on TikTok and get money and he can't go. He complain to me about that.
If he was them get them the type of link there, I no give cause the link, I either think that.
In a house sit down and he want go and he can't go. You don't make him lazy. You don't make him brain lazy. He can't go. He walla uno. We call him friend. Do him so bad. But yeah, come out like you're Mr. Blood Clot. But then call them people there. I can't talk like you're cause you're like poison. If I never know, you know, from when he hate you, from you want him, you from your talk about you have links. From your talk about you have links at hotel. From your talk about you have links at hotel. And you and him make up and you and him and Lando make up and pay for your hotel. And as you reach a hotel door, you run for the best room. Lando run for the second best room and left him blood clot in the living room. I'm going to use the living room bathroom. Tell me so lie me I tell. How the blood clot me know that. Him tell me. He hit like pies from this so.
See,
and the whole time in the day saying that you come out of the room and never be here. How me know that?
Talk with the woman.
And from this so. Enjoy your friend and not chat to you. And one day you have a thinking old piece of dirty red beamer. And him a run look a joke and the pan beamer. Either him a eat in there or he sit down pan beamer. You tell him say you don't want nobody eating in your car. How can you tell your best friend you don't want nobody eating in your dirty car and your friend?
That's a simple
okay,
thing,
how me know that?
Can't put vanity over humanity. Come on, hero.
You don't want a good film and you don't tax. You don't want a good film. Because who for the good film, you blood clot, poison mind from them. A 3 baby mother I have. And none of we never wish him no blood clot bad. As much as me come out and me talk and me say this and me say that, none of we no wish him no bad. And me have to come bust up liberty because I want then blood clot a face to themselves, so me bust up my liberty. Yeah. You don't tell him say next baby mother go. That are the one who live at Moby, yeah? You don't talk, say she a go, what she a do with that. You don't talk, say Kima this and that and Kima run across border with that and he wicked. And you talk, say me whole and me this and me that. Cause you don't want good film. But me the old person could have get him right here in a blood clot foreign. So him can live a better life. And no blood clot put him up against me. And me not sorry, me glad. Because probably in that come here and gone and I don't know where in there. But at least in that there and prayer could have known saying father there. No bad mind, no blood clot. Because if you didn't mean him good, when me pregnant, if me the really at call you wanna complain to you, when him tell you say black me, you don't black me. You know what you do? You just say I want to you, you idiot. And your baby mother already, you know. And you're not ready up and down and a boast. So just go and take it easy. When I hear what she say, you that lick sense in her head and make it know, say, watch you know, go on a foreign. And your baby mother that already, Ray.
So, when I level still people, you know when a woman angry, you know what I mean, she a go say all different type of things. Cause him shoulda tell the woman certain things. You know what I mean? You can't pillow talk, brother. You see it. So that a come out right now. I mean I wonder if that a go change the friendship between cause and able boss. All of them things yeah, what the woman say. Able boss never want cause to eat in him car and you know what I mean, all them things that what she say. But if your brethren are eating at your car and nothing that, all you have to tell him say, yo dog, make sure say you not drop no grain or nothing in the car. You see me? Simple as that. Yo, no drop nothing in the car. If a patty you might eat that different. You don't want a patty crumbs in your vehicle. But if it's a food or something, just tell him say, yo, don't drop nothing in the car. You know what I mean? A simple thing that for your man eating at the car. You can't tell me say you never eating at the car neither. You know what I mean? So, me know what I think people.